he do this? Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Come, get in this car. Come out here. Come get in this car. Come on. No. Yeah, let me tell y'all how I done got up early thinking I'm finna, make a video for my YouTube channel. Shut up, car. Y'all. I done woke up irritated as fuck. I woke up early, got a whole fucking itinerary plan, and I let the dog outside to have breakfast because I get off late. Well, guess what? This motherfucker decides to go joy walking. And God. I don't even know where I'm driving to at this point. Like, why would he go out? I have to be to work. I have to get dressed. I have other stuff to do than to play with Salon this morning. I really do. Like, why would he go walking? He done met this little hot coochie ass dog from across the street. Well, the backyard. And now he just think he grown enough to go walking by himself. Like, who does that? Why would he do that? He know I have stuff to do in the morning. He see me every morning walking around with 50 million things to do, and he decides to go fucking joy walking by himself? Like, how inconsiderate can you be? And this fucking ding is about to piss me off. And the least he could do is just be in her yard. At least I know that's where he went. And then he wanted to go look for this fat furry ass bitch. He should have been over here with this pocket. If he gonna go see somebody. All I got to say is, when he come home, and he better come home if he know like I know. I mean, why would he do this? Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Come, get in this car. Come out here. Come get in this car. Come on. Now, who told you to go somewhere? The step down on me. At least you went to the good looking girl. You in trouble. Your ass is in trouble. And I mean it. Now, what you was doing? Did you go get your dick wet with your nasty self? You was on punishment. Because you knew better. I'm out here wasting gas trying to find you. What kind of shit is that to do, Salon? Yeah, I found him. Look at him. Now you tired. You taking your tired ass right in the house.